It was the middle of winter, the furnace stopped working. It's Wisconsin, it's freezing. I called extremely early in the morning and got an answer within the first 3 rings. They said they would have a tech out within the hour. A tech did come out within the hour. I knew exactly who she was. I got a text in the beginning with a little bio, so I felt really safe and secure with who was coming onto my property. When she showed up, she couldn't have been more professional. She was in a uniform, she had booties on her shoes, came right down, and it turned out that the fix was really easy. So she didn't make me feel dumb, just fixed the problem right away. She was extremely kind and calm and showed me all the different parts and was able to tell me everything that I was looking at. So actually now I understand my furnace and I know what all the different parts do. So I'm by no means a professional, but I learned some tips and tricks. I know what certain things mean. So not only did my problem get fixed, I learned quite a bit along the way as well. And that's when I became a preferred Cardinal member. So that's how it all began. And then I've had more work done. I actually did a furnace and an air conditioner install. We did have the dog here. My dog is really well trained. The techs love to pet her. I, of course, always ask permission before I let my dog run underfoot. But when your tech shows up, it comes with a screenshot when they say they're on the way. So you get a screenshot and then you get the tech's name and just like a fun bio. So it's fun when they show up because it's like, oh, you like dogs? I have a dog, so it's just fun to talk about and it gives it that personal experience. But when I know a Cardinal tech is on site, I know that this person is professional, screened, trustworthy around my home. I do recommend Cardinal heating up and down. Whenever someone comes to my house and asks me who did what, Cardinal is one of the first contractors that I rattle off. If you need anything for your HVAC, for your furnace, your air conditioning, electrical, or plumbing, even to get a second opinion, you should absolutely call Cardinal for any of those topics.